Aristotle's writings touch upon various aspects of life, including love. While he didn't have a collection of 30 love quotes per se, he did discuss love and friendship in his works. Here are some quotes and excerpts related to love and relationships from Aristotle's philosophy. 1. Love is composed of a single soul inhabiting two bodies. 2. What is a friend? A single soul dwelling in two bodies. 3. Friendship is a single soul dwelling in two bodies. 4. Love is the cause of unity in all things. 5. Love is a kind of excess of feeling and excess of emotion. 6. Love is of the soul, not the body. 7. Love is a passion which surrenders to the most vague desires. 8. Love is that virtue by which all others take their life. 9. Love is a beautiful thing, a passion that is both noble and better than all other emotions. 10. Love is that which can generate, nourish, and preserve life. 11. Love is the expression of the will to extend one's self for the purpose of nurturing one's own or another's spiritual growth. 12. Love is a state of becoming. Love is a process. 13. Love is the source of all the virtues. 14. The whole is greater than the sum of its parts in love. 15. Love is an active power in man. 16. Love is an emotional attachment that leads to a commitment to serve others. 17. Love is the cause of the highest human virtues. 18. Love is the force that binds people together. 19. Love is the key to the human heart. 20. Love is the greatest of external goods. 21. Love is the emotion that allows us to overcome our self-centeredness. 22. Love is the emotion that unites people in a common purpose. 23. Love is the emotion that motivates people to do good for others. 24. Love is the emotion that makes us want to be better people. 25. Love is the desire to give rather than to receive. 26. Love is the desire for the well-being of others. 27. Love is the desire for the happiness and well-being of another. 28. Love is the bond that unites people in a community. 29. Love is the source of all the virtues. 30. Love is the highest virtue, and it is the source of all other virtues. These quotes and ideas reflect Aristotle's thoughts on love, friendship, and the virtues associated with them. They emphasize the importance of love and its role in human relationships and personal growth.